I'm getting ready to make my third coffee of the day, and it's only 12. Normally I drink like 1 cup in the morning, another one around 3-ish, and then usually one around 7. That's pretty normal. That might not be a lot to some people, but 3 is a good amount. I think that's a normal amount, okay? It's 12, and I'm on my 3rd cup, and it's Monday though, so I'm just gonna, it's a Monday, and it's been a rough Monday already. So instead of like beating myself up about about drinking too much coffee, I don't know, about feeling, I'm not gonna make myself feel guilty, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. Sometimes I can't get my words out, but I'm not gonna make myself feel guilty. Both of my older kids are at school. The baby is sleeping. I'm gonna sit down and watch a show and try not to feel guilty for doing nothing. But that's really hard for me because I feel like I should be doing something all the time. And even when I'm like sitting and trying to like relax, I'm not ever really relaxing because my mind is telling me I need to be doing this, and this. So that's my plan. Someone check in on me and see if I actually relaxed.